Thank you for tuning in. Do you want to step up your eye makeup game? Add volume or length? Or do you want to defy the signs of aging for a more youthful and vibrant look? Stay tuned. Learn how to apply false lashes with me. I'm your sis, Tara Wilson from artistrybytara.com. You are going to need the following tools. Let's get started. Step 1. Please wash your hands. Using a tweezer, remove lashes from outer corner inwards. Measure the false lash against your natural lashes. Make sure that they fit and that they are the appropriate style. Do not place the lashes all the way into the inner corner of the eye. Leave some space. If the lash band is too long or it looks unflattering, then cut from the outer corner using your scissors. Next, with your lash glue, we are going to apply a very thin layer across the band of the lashes. If your lash glue comes in a tube, then squeeze a very small amount onto the back of your hand and then use the tip of the tube to apply the glue directly onto the lash band. Use a makeup remover wipe to clean the tip of the tube once you are done. Now place your lashes to the side and allow 30 to 40 seconds for the glue to become tacky. During this time, you could touch up your eyeliner and apply mascara. This next step is optional. Depending on the quality of the lashes you are using, you may want to mold the lash band. Grab each end of the lash and just slightly bend it while the glue is drying to mimic the curvature of your lash line. After 30 to 40 seconds, it's time to apply lashes. And while you're waiting, you might as well like and subscribe to this channel. Looking downwards instead of looking straight ahead, we are now going to apply our lashes. It will be easier for you to pick up your lash using tweezers. Gently rest your false lashes on top of your natural lash. Gently grab your false lash from the outer corner to guide the band onto your eyeliner. Try to place the band of the lash as close as you can to your natural lashes to avoid having a gap. Repeat this method for the other lash. Quick tip: apply eyeliner to interlock your natural lashes with your false ones. And there you have it. Quick, simple, easy steps to apply false lashes. Let me know how it goes for you. Click the link in my description box if you want to see how I finish my makeup. Bye guys!